My name is Rachel, and I've been seeing Dr. Corey for about 4 years now for my chiropractic needs and more recently advanced cellular health. When I first visited him, I had severe migraines, neck and sinus issues, and I would get sinus infections 3 to 4 times a year. And I thought this was just normal, and I just had to figure out how to manage the pain and infections. I was a little nervous to see a chiropractor just because I'd never done it before. But Dr. Corey put my mind at ease. He's very comforting and, really patient and explains the process and what he's going to be doing. He found that I had several vertebrae that were out of place, and after correcting this and getting me realigned, I haven't had a sinus infection since, which was, really life-altering for me. More recently, I've seen Dr. Corey for other health needs. I had been battling reoccurring BV, candida, and UTI infection over the course of 6 months. It was really frustrating because my OBGYN would try to correct one infection, which then turned into a different infection, and the problem just never seemed to go away. I had several rounds of antibiotics, which I'm also really sensitive to. And after 5 months, my OBGYN told me that an infection wasn't showing up on my lab results, even though I was still experiencing all of the symptoms. And she basically said there's nothing that they could really do for me, and if I was still experiencing symptoms in 3 months, to come back. So for 3 more months, I would have to live with these symptoms, and that was, pretty upsetting. About the same time, I'd also visited Dr. Corey and mentioned what was happening, so I came to see him for an advanced cellular health diagnosis, and I didn't know much about the process, but Dr. Corey walked me through, each of the steps in the diagnosis process and explained what the treatment could look like. And after I was diagnosed, it took about 2 to 3 weeks to clear up my symptoms and all the issues that I was having. I don't know how to describe the gratitude I have over this. I was at a point that I didn't know what I was going to do or who to go see to help this. I'd been living with this chronic issue for almost 6 months, constantly uncomfortable, changing my life to fit around this issue, and Dr. Corey was able to help me. I finally feel like I'm back to my normal self and I'm feeling good, and I would highly, highly recommend Dr. Corey because I know I will be going to him as long as I possibly can.